Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to remove Facebook page link from Instagram profile. Okay, if you don't want people to find out your Facebook page, so just do this. Now open your Instagram application and then go to your profile. Okay, just tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then as you can see here under your name, you can see your Facebook profile link. So in order to remove that, you just have to click on the edit profile. Okay, that one. And then from the list of the options here, just scroll down and then tap on links. Okay, and then you can see your Facebook profile here, so you just have to click on it and then click on remove from bio. So right after doing so, when you go back to your profile page, okay, you can no longer see your Facebook profile link. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.